Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will be presenting my web development project, which is the Tunas Alumni Club website. This is Sister Rajina binti Paling, our client whom we communicate with through WhatsApp and ask about the club and report each progress of our work. We are a team consisting of 2 members. This is my partner Aini Sofia binti Amir and I am Nur Izzati Maulad Abdul Rahim. For the user acceptance part, we have given our client a user acceptance test document along with the URL to the finished website. We ask them to fill in with pass or fail and the comments that they want any changes to be made inside the website. After we have made the changes, we ask them again to review the finished website and they have given their comment that say that they have agreed with all the designs. Now, let's start with the product demo. This is the homepage of the IIUM Tunas Alumni Club website. Firstly, we can see the big club logo in the middle of the page, so people would know that this is the official page of Tunas Alumni Club. On the right upper side of the homepage, we can see the menu tab that eases the users of the website to navigate between pages. As we click at the arrow under the club logo, it will lead us into the website. It starts with the aim of the club, which Tunas Alumni aims to build network, giving exposure to event management and giving opportunity for alumnus to serve the university and the society. Next, we can see the photo slider that consists of the faces of the highest committee of the club. The next photo shows the first annual grand meeting for the IIUM Tunas Alumni members. As we scroll further downwards, we can see the photo of what the club had done so far, which are team building activities, helping other people and also making friends. The club asked us to make 2 sections for any news or announcements they wanted to make inside the website. At the bottom of the page, we have the footer that has a few logos on how to look for more updates regarding the club and how to contact them. The first one links to their Facebook page. The second one links to their Instagram page. The third one links to the email of the club, and the last one links to the club's WhatsApp. Under those logos is where you can find the club's office. Now let's go to the About Us page. It starts with the club slogan, and under that we can see the club's description and the photo of the organizational chart on the left. We want the users of the website to know the highest committee in the club, so we include the photo of the president, the vice president 1, and vice president 2. Under their photos are their names, which state they are from, their kulliyah, and their program. Next, we include the club vision, the club mission, and the club objective, so the visitor of the website can learn more about the club and why it is established. The next page is the programs page. This page shows the programs that the club have done before and will be updated when they have more physical events in the future. The first section is Tunas Alumni's annual events, which are their annual grand meetings and first meetings. Under each photos, there is a link that will bring the visitors of the website to Tunas Alumni official Facebook that have more information about that particular event. The second section is about the past event organized by Tunas Alumni Club. They have organized their induction day, gotong royong, and also a bowling tournament. The last section is about the charity events that were organized by Tunas Alumni Club that collaborated with a few sponsors to help the students in IIUM. They have successfully distributed the toiletry kits, dry food kit, and free food during Ramadan. We're going to the multimedia page next. There is a photo of the Tunas Alumni Club committee lineup for 2019-2020. The next photo is when Tunas Alumni organized the Concert Amal Phenomena Alumni UIAM. As we scroll further, This is like a gallery for all the activities done by Tunas Alumni Club so far. And at the end of the page is a YouTube video of the Phenomena concert in IIUM. The next page is about the membership of Tunas Alumni Club. This page allows the visitor to fill in a form if they are interested to become a member of the Tunas Alumni Club. In the form, the users need to fill in the basic information like their email, full name, metric number, their contact number, their kuliah, and year of study. After the submission, the club committee will contact them personally. And as for the last page, the Contact Us page, there is a map location for those who are interested in seeing the physical office in IIUM and the office address next to it. Under that, we provide the mailing address of the club so visitors can mail any important documents. We also include a section that contains the phone number that people can reach the Tunas Alumni Relations Division, where Tunas Alumni is the official club under that division. That is all for the product demo. And lastly, the lesson learned. I learned how to work as a team with my partner as we share ideas and communicate effectively to make the website successful. I also learned how to use the technology as I explore the features in the Google site and learn to work with each function. And last but not least, I learned about time management. We managed to start our work early and finish our work early, so there will be no headache. And we managed to keep it within our time schedule. That's all from me. Thank you.